Guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication on or Google two-factor authentication on Luno app. How you set up your two-factor authentication on Luno app. So let's get started. I'm going to open our Luno now. Once you open your Luno app, it's really good to have two-factor authentication to secure more of your money on your crypto wallet. So what you need to do is click on this your provider icon. Once you click on it, click on security here. Click on security. Once you click on security, you're going to see passkey two-factor authentication. Click on it. You can see currently now it is disabled. So for us to be able to set up this two-factor authentication, we have to do some verification. So once you do this, you're going to see it here, or you're going to do everything, then be able to set up your two-factor authentication. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.